Sawadee krab and Sabani Minecraft! How are you coping with the new lifestyle these 2 weeks? I know, it's been a long 14 days at home. That is why I'm here for you and bringing you the all-new Huawei P40 Pro. Yes, are you excited about it? Let's cue to the intro. Welcome back to the Boxing King, and yes, I know you are feeling a little bit weird. Why am I not showing my face? Well, today I'll just use my voice throughout the video because I have not been shaving for weeks. So you wouldn't want to see that, right? Okay, jokes aside. So the Huawei P40 Pro is finally here in my hands. Will it have what it takes to be the best camera smartphone? Let's check it out. Okay, first, let's head to the design of the phone. This time, the Huawei P40 Pro comes with a glossy reflective background that is similar to the last year's Huawei P30 Pro, and also it equipped with the Leica Ultra Vision quad camera setup, which you can see the Leica logo imprinted on the center of the camera housing. And on the side, we have the power button, volume rocker and speaker grill, USB-C socket, and also the SIM slot on the bottom. Now on the front, it has the 6.58-inch Flex OLED 90Hz super smooth display. And if you look closely, this time the Huawei P40 Pro used a quad curve design on its display, which means you do not only get the curve on the sides, but also on the top and bottom part of your screen with the pill-shaped dual selfie camera as well. Now, done with the design, let's head to the tech spec. The Huawei P40 Pro comes with the latest Kirin 990 5G chipset, which supports both SA and NSA network. Running on the EMUI 10, it has an 8GB of RAM and also a 256GB of storage capacity. Powering up the device will be a 4200 mAh battery capacity supported by a 40W supercharge. And not to mention, it also equipped with the latest Wi-Fi 6 Plus, giving you a better and faster Wi-Fi connection. Okay, finished with the design, let's talk about the super camera setup on the phone. The company has started collaborating with Leica since the P9 series. The P series is known for its advanced camera system that is comparable to the DSLR cameras. This time, Huawei P40 Pro used the Ultra Vision Leica camera system featuring the world's largest CMOS sensor on a smartphone. It has a 50 megapixel main camera, 40 megapixel wide-angle cine lens, a 3D TOF lens, and also the world's first RYYB 12 megapixel telephoto lens that can shoot up to 50 times of super sensing zoom. With the RYYB sensors, it allows the sensor to capture 40% more light into it, so you will have a greater low light picture. And if you are planning to use this phone for your vlogs or any videography stuff, the Huawei P40 Pro can capture up to 4K resolution video, and the best part of it is it can boost up the ISO to a maximum of 51,200. This means that you will no longer worry about getting bad low light videos at night. Oh, almost forgot. I know the one thing frustrates us the most is the audio quality of the video recordings. But this time, the Huawei P40 Pro also comes with the audio zoom function, so you just need to zoom towards your friend to record the voice clearly even you guys are far apart. So, finished with the rear camera, now let's turn to the front. It has the 32 megapixel dual selfie camera along with the IR depth sensor. With the IR depth sensor, you'll be able to capture a better and natural bokeh effect for the selfie portrait pictures. Other than that, you also can capture up to 4K selfie videos. So with the high resolution selfie camera, you can now have your video call anytime, anywhere with the Huawei Me Time, even in a dark room. Remember to keep your facial hair cleaned up properly before doing any video calls with the Huawei Me Time, because even a tiny pimple hiding in your eyebrow will be seen. Okay, although it has a lot of powerful features on this phone, there's still one thing that I don't really like about, which is the camera bump on the rear. Whenever you place it on the table, it won't lay flat. But I think this is not a big issue. So overall, this is a camera-centric smartphone, and if you're trying to get an alternative for your DSLR, the Huawei P40 Pro might be your choice. That's all for today. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for the latest video updates. I'm Joshua C. See you next time.